quickly introduce myself. I'm Nalin, and I will talk about my experience with Datamatics team when we implemented, the RPA automation few years back within Adani Group, the Adani Finance and Accounting Operations, which is the Adani Business Excellence team. And the journey goes back, let's say 8 to 9 years back, when this was a very novel concept, and very few people had attempted to look at RPA as a service automation opportunity. And in our first meeting with Rajesh from Datamatics, it was a great exciting opportunity we could sense in this automation journey, and we said let's partner and go ahead with experimenting at least some of the areas where we had a lot of manual work, a lot of human errors happening in the transactions on a day-to-day basis within the finance and accounting world. With that background, we embarked on looking at what are the areas where we could work with Datamatics team on a priority basis and see quick wins. The focus was to really get results faster and a higher ROI. So I can talk about 2-3 use cases right now. The first one being the easiest one, rather, in the accounting world, is the bank reconciliation process. Now it's a daily process. We have transactions, debits, credits happening in the bank every day, and it's an important control function within finance and accounting operations. So we had multiple bank statements at that point in time coming to us from different banks on a daily basis, and we had a large amount of people involved in daily reconciling those and coming out with open item statements. Now this was a simple automation statements. We implemented the OCR technology, and the decision making rules were built in, and that could read what the debit credit transactions are, reconciled with the balances for those transactions in our books, which was on SAP, and then throw out the open items. It was a quick win, and we had great success with this automation. The second example I recall is around TDS reconciliation. This was a complex 3-way reconciliation with our books, with the TDS payments, as well as with the government tax authority statements, 26 years. Now there are 3 multiple sources of data in different formats, with different timelines, and how do we merge and reconcile that data and throw out the exceptions from a tax return filing perspective. That was the key. And here also, I think a lot of manual activities which would go were completely automated, and we had good ROI where it was paid back within 6 months of time. And the third example I really was quite a big improvement was around the accounting for the investments. On a daily basis, the group would invest a lot of money into different mutual funds, equity, and you need to record the net asset value in your SAP ERP on a daily basis. And these statements were in different formats from different banks, different fund houses, and how do we get that statement download, read the data in those statements and update the NAV values in our ERP. So that was the third big success we had in the initial phase when we implemented RPA along with Rajesh and the Datamatics team. That was early stage, and we took a leap of faith, and it really delivered significant value to us in that phase. And since then, it's been a non-stop journey on the RPA automation process. And there are a lot of intelligent analytics available now with TrueBot. A lot of standard features are available which you can just plug and play. So there's some very exciting features. The product has evolved over time, and I really thank Rajesh and the entire team at Datamatics behind this. And I think the biggest piece of the engagement I've had with Datamatics is really the relationship value. And what I've seen is the entire DNA we've had of innovation, right from Dr. Kanodia, who started this organization 3 to 4 decades ago, that still continues, and that has actually accelerated, and that we see as great value coming as a partner to us in our engagement. Largely, I think we've seen that translate into the solutioning. Coming out with Rajesh and team have always come out with innovative ideas of proactively solving our business problems, business processes in the most effective manner. So that DNA still is very strong, and we have seen great value of that coming into our relationship. The second part is really the partnership, which and the collaboration which Rajesh and team from Datamatics have shown The team really, right from him and down to the execution team, go all out, to deliver value to us, without any constraint of resource or timelines. They will invest the best people and get the best outcome for us as a customer. That's a great value they bring to the table as a partner to the team, and I really thank the team for that. I've also had the opportunity to visit the Center for Datamatics at Nasik a few years back, and I must say it's been astonishing to see the capabilities built there, the large operations which happen there, both from technology, service. Everything is fantastically set up, and I would recommend anybody to visit that place and have a view of capabilities the team has built over years. So that really gives a lot of comfort to me as customer and partner for Datamatics to get more and more confidence in doing bigger and better things with this team. So I really love that experience a lot, and it still always remains fresh in my mind. Apart from that, there are many other things the Datamatics team brings to the table. Obviously, continuously innovating, and providing newer ideas and solutions to customers, and we see that happening in a lot of places. I think now they are there in the Gartner list as well. So that's a great win, and I thank Rajesh and team and the entire Datamatics team behind that for earning this laurel, which is not easy to get. So I have seen this journey, and as more and more digitization and digitalization happens, more and more value which Datamatics team will bring to the table to all its customers, existing customers, and future partners in the industry. And I wish everybody all the best for the future, and keep doing the great job. I think you have a great DNA, great heritage of innovation, great experience for customers in terms of collaboration and partnership. And you really give a lot of focus on generating ROI and value to the customer in whatever projects and assignments you've been working on and delivering.